Hi, welcome everybody. Look a bit. Well, I'm not actually tired. I'm actually energized, to be quite frank. And I've been working. That's why I haven't done any videos per se. Made some videos a couple of 3 days ago with Stitch Tight. Uploaded that today, but I've been basically working non-stop. Why? Well, because my all my oils have arrived, so many of them, but there were one particular oil that I was waiting for, and I can't make the oils without every single one. It has to be done specifically. So what am I doing right now? Well, for the past 2 days, I've been fully focused non-stop on Blend of the Healer. So it's a labour of love. I love doing it. I love making this oil. And so it's here, beautiful, with gold and silver flakes, with everything in there, like oud oil I've showed you, and all the amazing oils that come together to make this beautiful oil. So a lot of people have this oil now all over the world. You just need to go and look at the testimonials. They're phenomenal. When I say to you this heals just about everything, it does. It's not just a pain relief oil. It helps with everything: chest, mind, breaks, bumps, bruises, everything, any issue you have on your body, it helps. I had a little bit of a tummy ache yesterday, just a little bit, 3 drops, because all of my oil is food grade. And yeah, my stomach was gone. The pain was gone within probably about 35, 40 minutes. Like, wow, it cleared it. Amazing. The messages that come in from day to day are phenomenal. People with bad toothaches, just rubbing it on, it's getting better. Issues with skin or problems that with lumps or anything coming up, rub it on every 2 hours and it's gone. So it really is phenomenal. It's phenomenal. It is phenomenal. So yeah, it's a labour of love. Just to make 100 bottles takes all day, but I love doing it. I love doing it. How do I use it? In the morning, I'll put a few drops, rub it in my hands, breathe it in through my nose. Sometimes take a little bit, rub it here if I'm going anywhere where I think I just don't want to be anywhere near people with any issues. I just rub it on in my nose. Fantastic. Just breathe healthy. Back of the neck, top of the crown. If I've got any issues with worries and fears, a little bit on the side here, a little bit here. Nowhere near the eyes because it's so strong. If you've got a bad back, if you've got aches, pains, anything like that, just rub it on close to where you feel the pain, and it relieves straight away. I mean, I could go on and on and on and on. And hopefully you guys, if this is the first time you've ever seen a video of Mark Bajerski, this oil is, I think, one of the best natural oils healing in the sense of pains, physical pains, but it also helps emotionally as well. Loads of people use it for emotional issues that they've got, and they feel so much better. How do I use it? I use it like in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. So it helps me sleep really well. Any issues with throat, you just rub it on your throat and so on. Just follow your guidance of your own understanding. If you are severe with something severe, if something like, oh shit, you broke your leg or sprained yourself or something severe, use it every hour. If it's so every 2 hours. And if it's not that bad, use it in the morning, afternoon, at night. That's how I use it. So yes, it's beautiful. Healer in a bottle. So there you go. I just wanted to share that with you today because they are going to be up right now on markbajerski.com, and I am working lovingly and focused because the way that I make it has to be precise all the time. So I hope you appreciate it. I really do. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, saying, yay, back online. Everybody's been messaging me every day. So it's been a few weeks, but it's here now and I'm cracking on with it and I'm doing my best. So, Blend of the Healer on markbayerski.com. One link below. Enjoy your beautiful oil. It's a lifesaver to me. Take care.